This Corsair DDR5 RAM is so fast, it should be illegal. Dominator Titanium Review, 6000 MHz Madness. Let's be real, if your PC's choking under pressure, lagging like it's stuck in 2010, or overheating every time you breathe near Adobe Premiere, you're not alone. We've all been there, juggling a dozen browser tabs, a RAM-hogging game, and a render queue that moves slower than molasses. You feel stuck. Your creativity? Blocked. Your workflow? Jammed. You came for smooth multitasking, but got blue screens and Task Manager purgatory. The truth? Most RAM out there just can't hang with real-world intensity. It's frustrating. Time-wasting. It kills your vibe and drains your motivation. You deserve a setup that actually keeps up. Now picture this. Deadlines tonight, your stream just crashed, again, Premiere froze mid-export, and you're this close to launching your PC into low orbit. You tried cleaning your files. You even said nice things to Task Manager. Still? No dice. Your hardware's dragging its feet while your stress level hits DEFCON 1. You miss out on opportunities, whether it's a Twitch raid, a freelance gig, or just peace of mind, because your machine simply can't handle pressure. And let's not forget the creeping suspicion your high-end RAM is just fancy packaging and marketing fluff. It's exhausting, bro. But then, bam! You install the Corsair Dominator Titanium RGB DDR5 RAM, 64GB, 6000 MHz, CL30, and suddenly, it's like your PC just chugged a gallon of espresso. You feel it instantly, buttery smooth multitasking, no lags, no thermal throttling. Just pure, unfiltered performance, thanks to hand-sorted memory chips, patented DHX cooling, and a high-performance PCB engineered to flex under pressure. It's the real deal. And the 11-zone RGB? A straight-up light show that slaps harder than your favorite synthwave playlist. Add ICUE murals for full lighting control, and you're not just working, you're commanding a rig worthy of worship. With Corsair's Dominator Titanium, you don't just get RAM, you get relief. No more bottlenecks. No more system meltdowns midstream. Just simplified workflows, blistering load times, and ultra-reliable performance that makes every app feel optimized. And it doesn't just look good, it feels like premium hardware, with forged aluminum construction that screams, "I came to dominate." Whether you're editing 4K video, fragging in ultra settings, or running 100 Chrome tabs for research, this kit's got your back. Ready to see what uncompromised feels like? Scroll down, click that link, and step into the next level. Thousands of creators, gamers, and PC power users have already made the switch, and they're not looking back. Limited stock alert, these babies move fast, and once they're gone, well, you'll be stuck watching your competition fly past while you buffer in shame. Don't be that person. Stop coping, start dominating. You've got the dream, now get the gear that backs it up. Click the link, grab your Corsair Dominator Titanium DDR5 kit today, and give your system the glow up it's been begging for. It's now or never. Let's go.